We'll guide you through how to install Paint.net on your Chromebook. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Chromebook and make sure it's updated to the latest Chrome OS version to avoid compatibility issues. Then, head to the Chrome Web Store and search for Linux Beta, which you need to enable if it's not already. This feature allows you to run Linux applications on your Chromebook. Once Linux Beta is enabled, open the Terminal app from your app launcher. You'll need to type a few commands to install Wine, which is a compatibility layer that lets you run Windows applications. Start by typing sudo apt update and press enter, followed by sudo apt install Wine and press enter again. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once Wine is installed, download the Paint.net installer from its official website. Make sure to download the classic installer version, which is compatible with Wine. After downloading, open the Files app and locate the Paint.net installer. Right-click it and select Open with Wine Windows Program Loader. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, you can launch Paint.net from your app menu. If you encounter any issues, restarting your Chromebook can sometimes help resolve them. Now you're ready to edit images with Paint.net on your Chromebook. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.